What's up, guys? Right now I'm gonna start working on a car, and I need to take the bash bar out of this bumper, the OEM one, and stick it to this bumper, like inside, hook it up, and then put the bumper on and see where my corners land. Also, I need to start marking up my side skirt pieces, and then I'll see the distance they need to make right here to work, and then I can finish bonding the whole car. I probably start jumping around and doing different things on the car because I don't know which one I actually need to do. Alright, so the problem that I have right now, I didn't realize that this piece right here is missing on this side or M bumper. So I took it off here for my ZHP bumper and it fits right in. So now I gotta find a way to like plastic weld it in. I'm not 100% sure how to do it. I thought maybe I can put screws through the bottom and through the side right here to hold it, because there's gonna be a piece covered in this side anyway. So I'm gonna work on that and see if I can like firmly mount this, because when I put it on the car it kind of like sags because there's no support. Worst case scenario, I can make like a bracket here and bolt it up to the bottom of the fender, but I want it to be like an easier removable, just with those two bolts just sticking out and slide the whole bumper off. So I'm gonna work on that right now and try to screw this piece on. Alright, so bumper looks way better now. This is like almost straight, and I pushed this down, bend this corner a little back because it was bent up, and the whole bumper is actually now like good. Like, I'm so happy with it right now, and just need to patch it on the inside and then just body fill it. And then same thing, I think I'm gonna do delete or use one from here because it's square, and just cut a square hole and use that one from the ZHP bumper. I just need to see if it'll fit or not. So that's the plan right now. Now I'm gonna install it back on the car again and see how that fits. Also, I don't know if you guys like the angles that I use to record stuff. If you have like better suggestion or how to like which angles you guys like, so I can set my cameras up, please let me know, and I'll try to make it work better. And another thing, I came up with a way to bolt this on. So I'm just gonna use screws and just bolt it on directly on here, and this piece right here will actually cover all my screws, and I might get some with better profile on top so it doesn't stick out as much, but that's the only way I can think of securely bolting this thing on. Okay, so quick follow-up. I stopped recording for a little bit because I was trying to think how exactly I wanna do this. So cut these pieces off right here, and basically I'm gonna mold this piece separately into here, and I just need to make a nice round edge right here and a nice edge on this side right here, and basically mold it like this, except I gotta like trim it to sink it in a little bit. The reason why I did this because it's so poorly made that it would just not line up with this. So that's the plan. Cut one off right there, and also cut one off right here. So that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna try to trim it and make it fit better. So this is how it's basically gonna look. This piece is gonna be molded to this piece, and I think it's as close as I can get. And after I mold it in, I glue it in, whatever I do to it, I'm gonna shape it from outside better. It's really hard to judge how much you take off on the inside, and I don't want to take too much out. So I have enough, I think. Maybe I need to sink bottom in just a tiny bit more. Maybe just a little bit more. But anyway, one is almost done, and I need to do the second one yet. And the second one's done. So it's gonna go like this. Small gap. Need to clean it up yet, but yeah, it's gonna get good like this. Alright, so back to E46. It's been like a month since I worked on it, and what I came up with is this little bracket right here that I welded to the body. I need to clean it up and then weld it a little bit more, but basically, and I need to like straighten it a little bit, but it's gonna be this bracket from the body is gonna support the main piece, and then this bumper piece is gonna bolt to here also, like that. So I need to do it on both corners, and same thing, come up with something here and something up front yet. So a total of 6 brackets that I need to do, and I'm just gonna time lapse it and get back to you guys when it's done. Alright, so I installed the bracket and put the screw in. Like I said, this is temporarily. I'm gonna find some nicer hardware to bolt it on. So now I think I need to put bumper back on again and figure how this is gonna go, and a lot of sanding again and prep it back to fit the bumper. Alright, so this was pretty easy. This piece is basically done. It's like you saw, I just trimmed inside because it was too fat, and I made it nice and thin. And I made my line where it's gonna go, and my cut line for this side. We're gonna go right here, get bolt on over there. It's gonna sit like this against the bumper, and it's gonna get bolted there. So in case I ever need to take the bumper off, I can just loosen one screw and don't have to worry about kit being together. So this is going to be separate piece bolted to the bumper. So this side of the car is pretty dark because I don't have a nice light here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quick do it, and then probably gonna start gluing stuff together. Alright, so this is how it looks right now. This gap actually nice. I really like it. I need to blend it in a little bit better so it's a little not as choppy, but trim this bracket right here. But that's how it looks right now. I'm really happy with how it turned out. So now I'm gonna be gluing it next time. That's how it looks from this side. I still need to trim a bumper, but there's the bracket I need to paint. So that's how this side looks. And if you come all our way around to this side, same here. The gap is a little too big that I want it, so I need to extend either this fender or this piece, but most likely I'm just gonna extend this one just a little bit. And there's the bracket on the inside. This one's, I twisted it because the way it worked better like that, but no one's gonna see that. I need to prime it, paint it, and then trim it right here a little bit. So need to do a little bit of body work there. So this is gonna be it for this episode. In next episode or next video, I'm gonna come up with a bracket to hold basically these two together. But let me just show you another side. There's a more light over there. But basically, need to weld bracket to here, to the body, and bolt this piece to it so it's nice and firm. And then bolt this piece in here. And basically, I need to make a thick, wide bracket so I can bolt both of these to it, make it nice, and mold it in. But this is gonna be for the next episode. I do want to post this for you guys so you can see some progress on the E46. And I was just playing around with different wheel setups just for fun, and with this wheel from my E92 on it was a 2-inch spacer, but just for fun. Anyway, I'm getting excited to work on this car more, so probably I'm gonna post more of this car from now on, less of the boring one. So I did find wheels that I want to use, and they're kind of expensive, and with all this wires stuff going around, I don't feel like spending too much money on wheels right now. Just because you never know what's gonna happen. But for now, I have plenty of work before I do buy wheels to finish this all up. So yeah, next episode, next video, I'm gonna put this bolt both side skirts on and start working on finishing the front side skirts, bolting them up, and the bumper. Same thing is here, just gonna make a bracket to bolt it on. But yeah, I'm gonna get going now, edit this video, and I hope you guys enjoy this, and stay tuned for more. Goodbye.